With increasing geopolitical uncertainty and supply chain disruption worldwide, how important is domestic solar manufacturing for India's energy security, and what more needs to be done to strengthen it?
5 years back, we were importing all these cells, modules in India, but today we don't depend on any single geography for our imports. I mean, most of the modules produced in India are domestically consumed. Cells also have the same, let's say, trajectory. We are right now, kind of only fulfilling our domestic demand. And I think we have a overcapacity in modules, and similarly, we might have an overcapacity in cells in few years, and we'll have to export ours. So I think on a very geopolitical sense, I mean, I think we are shielded from that because we are not importing modules or cells or anything that might impact our manufacturing of of solar modules or cells in India. So our ecosystem, our value chain is quite, I would say, insulated from this geopolitical environment that we see. Uh, Going ahead, I think we are the second largest, as my colleague was saying, we are the second largest base. I mean, I think we will kind of be on an upward trajectory only, and I think we'll be able to cater to the global export markets also. And I think there is a focus by government also on this sector, particularly in the backward, I mean, or the downstream sector. I mean, the cells, ingot wafers, and polysilicon. So we will, maybe in a 5 or 6 years, all the cells, all the ingot wafer, all the polysilicon will be made in India and consumed in India. And that's a good news for all of us that we will be not relying on any single geography for all these imports. So I think we are quite sorted when we talk about the manufacturing of solar module cells in India.